Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw some cartoon bacon. Now, to start off with this, I'm going to begin over here on this side, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down at an angle. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve up, down, and then back up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of follow that same thing. I'm just going to kind of curve up, down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve up and then connect to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to put one here and then one right here for all the corners. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that just goes down to here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around and then connect to here. Now, I want to add a little face onto my bacon, so I'm just going to add a small circle here, and then another circle right over here. I'm going to add a big black dot kind of towards the center of it for the pupil. And then I'm going to add a little curved line above each eye for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to make a nice big smile. And then I'm going to add a line that just kind of curves up and then down with a little line in there for the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of some cartoon bacon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.